This is the GPX3D vinyl glove, an industrial-grade disposable glove that is also available as the GPX3. GPX3 gloves are sold 100 gloves per box and 10 boxes per case, whereas the GPX3D gloves are sold 200 gloves per box. Now that's 2,000 gloves per case. The box holds the same GPX3 gloves and fits in the same glove dispensers. The GPX3D option gives you more gloves on hand when you need them, and the advantage of storing the same amount of gloves in approximately 30% less space. This glove is latex-free, so all those sensitive or allergic to latex can take advantage of the glove's features. There's no powder on the inside of the glove, so no powder residue from your glove gets in the way when working with sealants or wet paint. The GPX3D vinyl glove is 9.5 inches long, measured from the tip of the finger to the base of the cup. It is commonly used in food service, painting, janitorial, and industrial applications.